Hi, good morning, Karishma.
Very good morning. How are you?
All good. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking.
Amazing. All right. So, Karishma, where are you joining me from?
I'm from Gurgaon.
Oh, wow. My brother is settled in Gurgaon.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
nice.
Right. So, obviously, you are there in Gurgaon. You must be working.
I'm working, but I'm working from home. I'm an advocate and I have my own law firm.
If you could just give me a brief introduction about you, Karishma.
As you already know that my name is Karishma and I'm an advocate. I would like to add here that I'm also a mother. I have two children, two boys.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
apart from that, I'm a YouTuber as
Yeah.
well. That is my passion to be a
Wow.
YouTuber. So I upload English conversational videos as well as my solo videos on my channel to help the other beginner level people who are learning English. Yeah, that's all about me.
That's amazing. So, right, you've already told me about your family. So, and what about your husband?
He's working in Gurgaon as well. He's doing job, private job. And yeah, my family, there is only mother-in-law. We are living with her.
Mm-hmm.
And my two
Mm-hmm.
kids, my husband. Yeah, that's all.
Perfect. That's a good, small, nuclear, happy family. And if you could just tell me a little about your boys, they are in which all standards?
The younger one is 2 years old, and the elder one is in second grade. He's 6 years old. He will turn seven in the next month.
You are a YouTuber, you are a content creator. So, tell me, what are the responsibilities um, that come along with somebody who makes content?
I think it's a very responsible job. Nobody talks about that. People feel that it's very easy just
Yeah.
to create something and post it on the YouTube channel, but it's not like that because you never know what kind of people they're getting influence from your video. So since I am in the
Hmm.
genre or the niche of English, I always make
Mhm.
sure to provide good content, quality content where I do not make mistakes, especially in terms of grammar.
Hmm.
But you know what? The time when I've started my channel, my sole purpose of starting the channel was improving my own English. So at that time, I used to make mistakes, even in grammar also. But I feel that it was okay because that was for me, not for the people. But now what am I doing is that is I want to do it for people also, that the learners were watching me.
Right.
So I try to not make mistakes. I try to be consistent
Hmm.
always because if I'm posting video today and then taking 10 days of gap, it's not good. People don't like that kind of people that providing videos like with
Yeah.
a gap of 10 or 12
Right.
days. Because journey is something, English journey is something that
Absolutely.
people want to be regular and consistent with their journey. And if they're following somebody as their mentor,
Absolutely.
they feel like they should get the quality content every single day or maybe within the gap of 2 days. So this is what I want to make sure.
Absolutely. True, true, true. So you've very accurately picked up the point of language accuracy. And especially you began at the point when you were learning and you wanted to improve, and now you are making a mass moment here where people are coming in, joining you and learning from your sessions, right?
Right.
So that's absolutely that's a job that really requires a lot of responsibility, because these days people are consuming content, they're not reading. So
Okay.
whatever they hear,
Right.
yeah, so whatever they hear is what they are going to propagate ahead, right?
That's true.
Yes, this absolutely. And also the fact that you have mentioned about the responsibility of following a timeline, when the content needs to be created and when it needs to be followed up by uploading, and when it would be the most engaging for the learners. I believe that is another add-on responsibility. You cannot
Right.
shirk away from that responsibility. Absolutely.
Right.
Yeah. So also the fact that whatever you are recording, it should be factually correct. So you have to do that
Right.
research as well,
Right. Right. I do
right?
that.
So I mean, you are not, yeah, you're not just recording. You are actually actually researching completely and you're making that 10 minutes video. For that 10 minutes, you must have worked for about 10 days, right?
Definitely, that's true. Yeah.
And lastly, an upgradation in your own skills is required, right?
Yes,
You
being a YouTuber,
cannot
it is
keep posting
required.
the same sort of content every day.
Yeah, and I want to share something on this because I personally faced
Yeah.
problem with vocabulary. Like my vocabulary is so basic, and the time when I've started my channel, that time I was not good with my grammar as well as with vocabulary. But by the time I'm able to improve my grammar, but
Hmm.
the vocabulary is still the problem because I'm not
Hmm.
able to upgrade myself. Though I
Right.
know a number of vocabulary, numerous vocabularies there in my head, but the time when I'm speaking to somebody, the words don't
Hmm.
actually come to my mind. So
Yeah.
now it is my responsibility to bring at least 4 to 5 good number of vocabulary in each of my sessions so that people who are watching me can also learn it. Otherwise the video will be, I think it is monotonous. So people would not like to watch then. You're completely frozen. Are you
Hi Karishma, now it will be better because I have switched from the Wi-Fi to my phone hotspot.
fine? I'm able to listen to you at least.
Actually, I'm not settled in a very civilized sort of an area, so the network issue is a little too prominent here.
Where are you from?
So currently, I'm in Belgaum. It's like a very small town here in Karnataka because my husband is in the
Oh,
army, so I have to travel with him.
oh, okay. Okay, okay.
Yes, so sorry for the disturbance because in the past few days, I incurred so much of network issue that because it was raining consistently, and then what happened? We had a lot of power cuts, and I wasn't able to connect into the sessions so properly. And today I have network issues. Every day something new. Yeah.
Okay, so are you new to me, Shari?
So yeah, I mean, I it has been for about it has been about how long? I started on the day of Rakhi, so I'm not sure what was it. It was ninth
August,
of
September,
August. Yeah,
October, 2, 3 months.
yeah, yeah. So 2 3 months. Yes, I am new on the platform comparatively. Uh, so yes, right. So yes, you were telling me something. You please continue with your thought. We were talking about the content creation and upgradation basically. So that was the last point that happened between us. So
Yeah,
you said
so I was
I have
discussing
something
my
else.
problem,
You were talking about the words.
vocabulary.
Yeah, words don't strike.
Vocabulary.
Yes,
That's right.
yes.
That's my problem.
So
And even, no, yes, yes, tell me.
I mean, I just wanted to ask: is it still persisting, or you've like overcome?
I'm still trying hard to come out of this problem because
Yeah.
I know words. Sometimes I'm
Mm-hmm.
able to use it, sometimes
Mm-hmm.
even not. And I'm able
Mm-hmm.
to use those words. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
like I am learning them from last like many months.
Right.
And I'm
Right.
using somebody using those, I'm seeing somebody using those words again and again and again. That's how I'm able to recall them. But apart from that, if I learn
Right.
some word intentionally that I want to
Mm.
use it during my conversation, that's never strike on time. That's the main
That
problem.
never strikes. Yeah, that never strikes. Yes, absolutely. This happens with almost all of us. This happens with us all also. So on certain days when the stakes are too high, or perhaps like I have to speak to somebody, I have to speak to my own clients or something like that. So on that one fine day, I will not be even able to speak grammar correctly. I that day just sit with my hand on my head and I'm like, what has really gone down with you, lady? So
Okay.
yeah, it usually happens. It happens to all of us. But then yes, it's a one day thing that happens with me. I don't know what sort of a block happens here. That I almost start sort of behaving like somebody who's unaware of grammar or doesn't know English at all. So that really happens. So I take a break on that.
Right. Right.
Yeah. So that really happens. But yes, this problem is quite common about the vocabulary. Yes. So what are you doing for it then?
Nothing much. I'm doing like everyday conversation. At least I
Mm-hmm.
spend half an hour connecting
Mm-hmm.
with somebody on regular basis. Either it's a tutor or maybe
Yeah.
one of my fellow YouTuber or any subscriber. I have this habit of speaking with somebody every single day. So there are people even in my YouTube community. They are so fluent. They're using number of good vocabularies. So when I
Right.
talk to them, I try to observe those words. I feel that I should
Mm-hmm.
also inculcate these kinds of words and I will
Mm-hmm.
try to use them. So I think
Mm-hmm.
this is the gradual process. I know
Yeah.
that I will be able to speak good vocabulary, but it will take some time because being a mother, being a housewife, being a wife, I think it's very difficult to uh, spend time on your learnings. I am not getting that separate time that people spend.
Hmm.
So
Right.
for example, if I would be a single person, I might give 1 hour dedicatedly only to learn vocabulary, to use them again and again, and to repeat sentences with that particular one word. So I
Right.
am sure that I will definitely learn it. So I am okay with my
Yeah.
situations because every person has come from different background, different surroundings, different responsibilities as well. So I focus on my responsibilities because my kids are too young. So I'm not running after perfection. I am trying to improve gradually just by communicating with others. That's it. Intrusion.
Great. What is your routine like? If suppose you end up finding a new word, suppose I must have said something today. So, how are you going to keep a track of that word?
That is very easy for me because being a YouTuber, I have to listen to that recording several times just for the editing purpose. For example, this video, I have to edit this video a lot because there are many gaps
Yeah.
like because of the Wi-Fi. So definitely I'm going to come across words again and again. That repetition helped me a lot to understand and retain that word for longer duration. And this is what exactly I'm doing. But sometimes even I don't get time to edit my videos and I don't edit them and I simply upload the conversation like the way I have as it is on the YouTube. So in that case, I'm not able to learn. But apart from that, I listen to my own recording 2 times at least so that naturally I learn that word.
Yeah. So, all right, Karishma, what I want you to do is do not upload this session because this has a lot of breaks. You take up another session with somebody else today. Okay. All
But
right.
I will upload it.
Please
I
take
will
another
do
session
the
with
editing
someone.
part. I will upload it short, like 10 to 15 minutes. You should
This session
understand the
was
struggles also,
cumulatively
like
for
how
10 to
much I
15 minutes.
struggle.
Yeah, absolutely. It was cumulatively a session for 15 minutes. I don't know what will you edit. So yeah. Anyway,
Right.
so I was just saying like your entire work is so comprehensive and it is so detailed that you have to put in a lot of effort into the entire thing. And when it comes to your learning, you already said you learn with repetitive hearing. So that's another thing. Because your task is so meticulous, because it requires that much attention to detail. So that way, I can also define you as a meticulous individual who works so much, so hard for the content, right? So yeah, so that's one. I would love to give you your feedback now because I don't want the connection to go haywire, right? So, yes. When it comes to you speaking, Karishma, I know I'm a big drama. You will see a lot of expressions coming out from me, but I don't want you to miss me anywhere. So, yeah. So, when you were speaking, you're absolutely okay with the language. You have fluency with you. Definitely vocabulary that you yourself know is lacking somewhere. Maybe you don't find words, but that again will come with regular practice. It is not a one day thing. And the word that you learn on on one day has to be repeated on the same day several times. So if you've learned about yourself that you are a meticulous individual, if I've told you you are a meticulous individual, it means meticulous. So that means you are somebody who looks for details. You are a detail oriented person, right?
Right.
So you have to use it several times today for it to fit here,
Right.
right? So every word has to be used several times. Only then would you be able to grasp in vocabulary. There is no shortcut for vocabulary at all,
Right.
right?
That I
So
understand.
yeah,
Yeah.
certain basic words. Absolutely. So that's that. And yes, sometimes when you pace up because you feel like I'm fluent right now and I can speak a little faster, is when you commit those little errors here and there. Like I corrected you
Right.
somewhere in the middle, right? Yeah.
Right.
So pacing up, usually what happens is we are Indians. English does not come naturally to us. We have to think and then speak, right? So the moment we start speaking faster, because our mouth is speaking faster, but the brain is processing at the same rate, right? So that's when we make those coordination errors. So we're thinking way too in the same sense, but speech has become faltered because we're speaking
Right.
fast. So that, yeah,
Right.
that is the entire cycle, right? So speak at a moderate pace. Nobody is running behind us. No bus is following you. Um, Fluency can be seen when you normally speak also, right? Vocabulary has to be used several times in order to accentuate your accent as well and your speech.
Right.
That's
I
it.
have a
I
question.
hope it was clear. Yeah, yeah, please.
I want to connect with you again. Please let me know what is the suitable
Please
time
do.
when I can connect, when the network will not create a
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah, so I am going to get both my laptops checked today because the other one does not have an audio at all, and this one is at least working that way, but this has some connection issue happening. So I'm going to get it both checked, and perhaps you can join in anytime next week.
Next
No,
week,
this week.
morning
We've
or
just begun, right? We've just begun
yeah,
Wednesday.
it's
Yeah, so you can take morning sessions because I usually open up only morning sessions. I'm not available in the evening.
only morning. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
That's quite difficult for me, but
I
I'll
take
try
sessions
to
till,
do it.
yeah, I take sessions till 9:30. So they're there. You can follow up some timeline from 9 to 9:30 maybe.
Definitely, I'll connect again with you.
Absolutely, absolutely. Please, thank you so much. I would love to connect with you again with a better network someday.
Okay, then, bye bye.
Bye bye. See you, Krishna.
Thank you.